feeling like a bit of an imposter. I don't feel I belong here. My idea is if we start to have those conversations with people gently and with care and respect, um, that they start to say, well, because I don't see anyone else here who's my age. I don't see anyone else here who has tattoos. I don't see anyone else here who, has earbuds in most of the day. So because there's that lack of affirmation, we're not, again, there's feedback. We're a social creature. We're constantly looking for safety. How do we know this is a safe place to be? Where's our cues? We don't see them. So immediately our brain's going, are you sure you belong here? Is this a safe place to be? Maybe you need to get out. And that's why we kind of need those points of interruption to say, if we're inviting someone to our community or our team or our workplace or whatever it is, and we look around and go, actually, there's no one like them here. Our first point should be, let's have a conversation with them to help them understand why, and to work with them to say, well, how can they help us change that in the future? The first person out there is always feeling like a fraud, an imposter, because they're breaking new ground. How do I know this is the right thing to do?